Hi, you might have tired, heavy, or a burning sensation in your eyes towards the end of the day, or that slight headache that starts feeling after using long hours of mobile phones or laptop. Myself, Tasmia. I am an digital wellness coach and an optometrist. I would like to share a simple habits which can help you to get rid of this tiredness of your eyes. You might have noticed that after prolonged use of laptop for work or whenever you're using phone for the longer hours, you might have felt a kind of dryness, tiredness, tired eye, a burning sensation towards the corner of your eyes, or irritation, grittiness, pricking sensation, or something like that, or a pain towards the end of the day, a headache, and all these symptoms, and also the neck pain and a back pain, which is a completely together called as digital eye strain, which has been noticed in many of the people nowadays because of long hours of laptop and mobile use. They will be working on the phones without any awareness or without any concerns of the future problems. Even this might have happened with you as well. You might be working without any awareness that there are the problems which is happening with me is not only because of the mind or the things which is going on, but also because of my habits. So let me tell you, these symptoms which may feel that it's okay, but over the time period this can lead to a bigger problems. This longer hours of digital use can cause several problems like visual health problems, mental health problems, physical health problems, and it can affect overall well-being. So you have to do a simple habits, you have to follow simple habits in order to get rid of certain things which is going to start in the future. So, what you can do about it is start with this simple five habits, which seems very simple, but over the period, it can give you a good result. So, what you have to do is take regular screen breaks. Don't wait till your eyes feel dry or hot when you have to go and wash your eyes just because you can't concentrate. Make a habit of taking 5 minutes break every 10 to 15 minutes. Look away from your screen, stretch, go for a walk for a 5 minutes, drink water or drink or take something. And remember, taking break doesn't mean that you're using laptop and then going back to the phone as a break. Switching from your laptop to scrolling on your phone is not a break. Take a complete pause, literally like you're closing your eyes and feeling or taking a deep breaths or looking at something which is far away, which will help you to give a complete break to the eyes. What you can do is the next thing, there follow 20-20-20 rule. For every 20 minutes, look at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds. It gives your eyes a quick reset and reduce strain. You might have noticed this is said by every optometrist or ophthalmologist out there who says you about this to follow 20-20-20 rule, but we don't know how to do it. Whenever you're using digital devices, take a break of 20 seconds. Just look at something which is 20 feet away for every 20 minutes. It gives a complete break for your eyes. It feels great, but taking break for 5 minutes for every 30 minutes is even better than this. Fix lighting. Avoid using your phone in the dark. It puts that extra effort on your eyes, extra stress, which can feel a complete tiredness or strain. You might also notice you feel difficult focusing at distance when you keep on working at the near. So keep a good setting like ergonomics. Keep your laptop at the eye level. Keep your position and chair, everything in a proper way that it feels great and the light is coming from the left or the right side um, in the position of your seating, not from the front or the back of your sitting position. And check your screen ergonomics. Your laptop height, distance, and posture will make a big difference in how comfortable your eyes and mind feels. This is not a rocket science, but small things which will help you to feel better. It you can also do is keep your settings brightness at the lowest level to keep your eyes feel better. And also the next thing is important, which is blink more and stay hydrated. Like we won't even realize whether we are blinking or not. We are keep on focusing at the screen without the realization that our eyes are going dry. It feels so itchy and irritated. But even though we don't have the habit of blinking, so what you can do is you can keep on blinking when you're taking break for 5 minutes, and then you can drink more lots of water so that your eyes doesn't feel dry. Yeah, the more hydrated you are, the more better your body feels. So that's why our eyes feel dry and itchy when we doesn't blink. So blink consciously, drink plenty of water, and use lubricating eye drops if needed. This lubricating dry eye drops can help you feel better when there is extreme dryness and irritation in the eye. Limit unnecessary screen time. Not every notification deserves your attention. So put your notification off on unnecessary applications, because every notifications feels you pull towards the phone. Every time you get a sound of that notification, it feels like, oh my god, there's a notification. There might be something important which keeps on pulling towards your phone. So keep switch off the notification which is not required, which is not important, and try apps like Forest, Off Screen, Freedom, or screen time, which is already a feature on your phone, or digital well-being. It can help you to take off that extra time which you will be spending on your phone. Even reducing 15 minutes a day make a huge difference. So what you need to do is take a free 15 minutes of completely be away from your phone. So this is important thing. What you can do is to keep yourself stay away from your phone and be consistent. This is the important thing. As we are so much busy in our life, we are not consistent at anything. We decide to lose weight, we decide to eat clean, we decide to do many things, but we won't do it without any consistency. So what we have to do is we have to take care of our eye, and these little habits can help us feel much better and get rid of all the symptoms which we feel towards the end of the day. The small habits may seem simple, but when we practice regularly, this can truly change our eyes the way it feels. I have followed these five habits, which helps me and my clients, and it makes a huge difference in our life. Less strain, fewer headaches, and fresher eyes at the end of the day. If you need help managing your screen habits or improving your eye comfort, feel free to reach out. Let's take care of our digital eyes one habit at a time. Stay connected and take care of your eyes. Signing off, Tasmia.